Have a good day to all our friends, followers, listeners, over you all. Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Welcome to today's Profit Halls. Please kindly hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notifications. So let's get started the 2D video. We run this robot from our night on VPS. Okay, this is the Orient Venture EA, which is running on our real account. So what this robot is doing look like here, $274 the gain up for today. Okay, look here, and it's made very awesome pips on a swing trade and also good trades. Look here and make a good profit continuously, and I think a few losses here, just a minor loss, two losses, and very well there. Look here, so the boot made, I think, something 274. So let's just go and open the broker website and let's withdraw this profit. So let's withdraw from MT5 and let here $274 is in my account, and 390364, this is a real account, and $296 is left in my account. And the Orion expert advisor, which is working on our this account, is really working very good and very well. If you guys interested, feel free chat with us and have this expert advisor from me, because this expert advisor is really working very well. Okay guys, and now let me show you on my screen. Look here guys, this is the Orion EA. We just stopped because the today target is done, 390364 the derived server. Okay, it's my real account, and the 296 is the balance. 296 is the balance, and let me show you this balance here. 296 390364, this is my real account. So let's go for cashier and withdraw this amount. Please check your email. So let's go for email and also check my email, the binary sent email before withdraw. Here is my email inbox. So let's refresh and see the binary. Here is the withdrawal request. So let's click on binary.com. Let's go or make more. $274 in my secret account. $274 in my secret account. Please process fast. Request is the payout, and here is done. Thanks for watching guys.